Arrival of Emoni, Cubana Chief Priest and his brother Kcee. Omo, leave aura for Chief Emoni. Oh my, leave aura for this my Igbo brothers. Wait, which kind of entrance is this? Which kind of entrance be this? Emoni just scattered the whole location. I swear to God, see Emoni and his brother Kcee entrance into the wedding ceremony of Soso, and he's super crazy, guys. See the amount of dangerous cars they went before entering their private jet, landed at the occasion, and everywhere just boss. Leave aura for Emoni. Jesus, wetin be this? Wetin be this? These my Igbo brothers, they worry. Them they worry. Wait, what is this? See movement. Omo. Oh, Emoni. This is the true definition of Odogu. No, Odogu be this. Ajay.
Hello, please. Yes. People, please cover the eyes. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I have to move through the room. Sorry, a number of people.
Sosoberekun Wedding, and it's going crazy. Yes, you can see them.
Really? I would love you to be there, man. And that one car, 12 car.
Please, a couple of let's give them that respect and just pay attention to them. Just feel the shot.
And my own wedding, man.
I'm of course talking about entries and entrances right now. We have Jowizaza, Cubana Chief Priest, ladies and gentlemen. Cubana Chief Priest, right here.
Go back. Everybody go back. way, man. This way. Sorry. I just say hi to Paramount Boys.
Let's seize the movement to the stage. We still have the cake to cut. We still have a number of special performances for the purpose of serenading the couple.